Hey guys, this is Daniel with Pwn CNC. We're here to talk about how to install the Shapeoko Pro covers onto your machine. There's a slight little trick, and I will show you that here in just a minute. But let's dig into it. So installing or assembling the actual the covers is actually really easy. So all you really need to do is just peel the paper off from the acrylic, place it right into the plastic form, the shape, the frame here, and use the included M3 by 10 millimeter button head screws in 3 positions, and this is the same on both. There'll be a slight cutout on the right side, but that way it'll just help you align which acrylic goes to which one. Next, we're going to take the M5, the really long M5 black screws. You're just going to drop those right into place. And of course, put the brush in and slice it so that it is flush with the surface here. So assembling this thing is really easy. Let me show you how to attach it to the machine on each side. All right, so here we are on the left side of the machine. This is the same no matter which size Shapeoko Pro you have. It will have the plates over here with the belts exposed on this side. This left side is actually the easiest to install. I've already kind of set my 2 M5 screws there. I am going to have a 4 millimeter hex driver ready for installing this. All you got to do on this left side is just drop it right down into place in between the plate and these posts. Drop that down, push it up against the edge here, and using your screw, the M5, there it is. There's 2 M5 holes, which these 2 screws screw right into. So we're just going to tighten both of those down. And the installation on the left side is done. There we go. And this will protect the brush on the front and in the rear, give you plenty of visibility so you understand what's going on with the any debris that may escape these brushes. So let's switch over to the right side and I'll show you the trick. All right, here we are on the right side. We've got our panels. We've got a little proximity switch here, which is what this indentation in the cover is for. The trick with installing the right side, because of all this, because of the proximity switch and the extra stuff there, we need to remove these 2 posts. Just use your M4 hex driver to remove those posts temporarily. We'll put them back. And once you remove this, installing the actual cover is very easy. So with our brushes and everything in place, we're just going to kind of wiggle it straight back. Just kind of follow the orientation of this indentation here. Just kind of slide it right back onto the plate and find those holes there in the right side plate. Tighten down the 2 included M5 screws. The very last step, of course, is to reinstall those stop posts. So once you do that, you're all set. Hey, so hopefully you found that pretty informative. This is a very short video. It's very easy install for these covers. That right side, those posts is basically the biggest trick of the whole thing. Once you got that covered, install is easy. And just remember, don't just own your CNC, dominate it.